Hello guys and welcome to our new video about Traxxas 4. Yeah, we got one in green, what's a limited color, and let's start it. So let's open this thing. So the first thing we can see is the remote controller with 4 channels, the original thing from Traxxas. Let's take this out. So here's the thing we all want to see, the Traxxas 4. Let's take it out. So to make the thing a little faster, we took all out and show it to you now. First we have the very beautiful car in green. Then the remote controller from Traxxas. A quick start guide with infos. So here we have a spare piece. Then some body clips. Stickers. And some hex tools. So let's take away the body. And here it is, the heart of the Traxxas 4. So first we lift up this little baby.
So here we have the receiver box and 2 servos for the differentials. Here we have a Titan motor, aluminium shocks, super soft tires, here the portal axles, here the battery tray, the servo for shifting, the ESC, and here the steering servo.
So let's test out the servos for the differential locks. First this one at the front, then this one at the back side. Both are working. And last but not least, test the gear shift. So let's go out for a test drive.